In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as Theories and Frameworks in Discourse Analysis. Today, I am going to teach you formalism. What is formalism? What is the concept of formalism? And what are some examples to understand and recognize formalism? Listeners and audience, formalism is a theoretical approach in discourse analysis that scrutinizes the linguistic features and structure of language. It examines that how language is used to create meaning and construct social reality. It prioritizes the language forms, structures, and conventions rather than content and context. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about formalism, formalism is actually the detailed examination, the detailed analysis of the text of someone, of the speech of someone, or the written work of someone. When we say the detailed examination, it means it includes to analyze phonology in the text of someone. And you know about phonology, that phonology is the study of the pattern of sounds. So it examines the phonology. And syntax. Syntax is the study of the organization of the sentence, that how sentence is structured and organized. It also focuses on the morphology of a text. You know about morphology, that morphology is the study of the formation of the words, that how words are formed and structured. Connected to this, it also analyzes the pragmatics, which is the study of the use of language in context. And finally, it focuses on semantics, which is the study of meaning. So it focuses on the meaning and interpretation of the text. Remember that formalism, it is the work of linguists like Ferdinand de Saussure, Noam Chomsky, and Lewis. So hope that now you know about formalism, that what is formalism and what is the basic function of formalism and what kind of text it analyzes. Thank you.